Have you ever wondered who truly owns a piece of digital art? A question that, until recently, had no definitive answer. The world of digital art, much like the internet itself, is vast and complex, making it difficult to determine true ownership. Enter NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, a revolutionary technology that has provided a solution to this conundrum. These digital tokens are transforming the art world, creating a new paradigm for ownership. The rise of NFTs has changed the way we view and own digital art. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, took the digital world by storm in 2017, but understanding their birth requires a step back in time, to an era when digital assets lacked a mechanism for proving ownership. In the early days of the internet, digital assets like images, music, and video games were freely shared and easily duplicated. This lack of scarcity made it difficult for creators to monetize their work and for collectors to prove their ownership. This is where the concept of NFTs comes into play. NFTs are essentially digital certificates of ownership, stored on a blockchain that can be attached to digital assets. They were born out of a need to make digital assets unique and thus valuable. The birth of NFTs is closely linked to the Ethereum blockchain, which introduced a standard for issuing new tokens in 2015. This standard, known as ERC-20, allowed for the creation of fungible tokens, which are identical to each other and can be exchanged on a one-for-one basis, like traditional currencies. However, it quickly became apparent that not all digital assets are alike. Some are unique, like a one-of-a-kind digital artwork or a rare in-game item. Recognizing this, Ethereum introduced a new standard in 2017, known as ERC-721. This standard allows for the creation of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which are unique and can't be exchanged on a one-for-one basis. Early uses of NFTs were largely within the gaming industry. Games like CryptoKitties, where players could breed and trade unique virtual cats, became wildly popular. Each CryptoKitty was represented by an NFT, proving its uniqueness and ownership. From these humble beginnings, NFTs have grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry, transforming not just digital art, but also music, real estate, and more. They've given digital creators a new way to monetize their work, and collectors a new way to invest in digital assets. The creation of NFTs marked a new era for digital art and online ownership. With their advent, the digital world witnessed a paradigm shift, opening up a universe of possibilities for creators and collectors alike. The year 2020 saw an explosion in the popularity of NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, became the talk of the town, the chatter of the art world, and the heartbeat of the digital sphere. This was the year when digital art sales skyrocketed and NFTs became a new asset class. In this roller coaster ride of a year, digital art, once a fringe novelty, was thrust into the mainstream limelight. The art world was abuzz with stories of artists selling their digital works for staggering sums. For instance, graphic designer Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple, sold an NFT of his work for over $69 million. This was an unheard-of sum for digital art, and it set the stage for a new era where digital creators could finally be rewarded for their work. The allure of NFTs wasn't just confined to the art world. Celebrities also jumped on the bandwagon. From musicians like Kings of Leon releasing their album as an NFT to Twitter's CEO Jack Dorsey selling his first tweet as an NFT, the year 2020 was a whirlwind of NFT activity. These significant events were not just a culmination of curiosity and novelty, they were signals of a shift in the perception of value and ownership. People were beginning to see the worth of these digital assets, and the blockchain technology underpinning NFTs provided a solution to the age-old problem of proving digital ownership. As the year progressed, NFTs continued to make headlines, further fueling their popularity. The global pandemic played its part too. As the world moved online, digital spaces became more important, and the idea of owning unique digital assets became more appealing. By the end of the year, NFT sales had grown by almost 300% compared to the previous year, reaching a total value of over $250 million. This was no small feat for a concept that was relatively unknown just a year before. The boom of NFTs in 2020 set the stage for an even more exciting future. This incredible momentum signaled not just a passing trend, but the dawn of a new era in the world of art and digital ownership. Today, NFTs have permeated various sectors beyond just art. They've become a part of our digital lives in ways we could hardly imagine just a few years ago. From real estate to music, from gaming to collectibles, these unique digital assets have found their place, and they're making waves. In the world of real estate, NFTs are revolutionizing the way we buy, sell, and own property. Virtual lands and buildings are being bought and sold as NFTs, allowing users to own a piece of the digital world in a way that was previously impossible. It's not just about owning a digital property, it's about the potential of what can be built on that virtual land. In the music industry, artists are now releasing their works as NFTs, providing a new avenue for them to monetize their creativity directly. Instead of relying on traditional platforms that take a significant cut of their earnings, musicians can now sell their songs, albums, or even concert tickets as NFTs, receiving the lion's share of the profits. The gaming industry, too, has been quick to adopt NFTs. Virtual items such as weapons, skins, or characters are being tokenized as NFTs, allowing players to truly own these items and even trade them outside the game's ecosystem. This is transforming the gaming experience, making it more immersive and rewarding. And let's not forget collectibles. Digital collectibles in the form of NFTs have taken the world by storm. From virtual trading cards to digital art pieces, these items are being bought, sold, and collected by enthusiasts around the globe. Indeed, the growth of NFTs has been nothing short of phenomenal. But as we look to the future, one thing is clear: we're only just scratching the surface of what's possible. With advancements in technology and a growing acceptance of digital ownership, the potential applications for NFTs are limitless. NFTs have come a long way since their inception, and they're here to stay. They're changing the way we interact with the digital world, and it's exciting to imagine where they'll take us next. So how does one invest in digital art using NFTs? Well, investing in digital art through NFTs isn't as complex as it may sound, but it does require a few steps and considerations. First off, you need to set up a digital wallet. This wallet will allow you to buy, sell, and store your NFTs. There are several digital wallets available, such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet, among others. Once you have a wallet, you'll need to purchase some cryptocurrency, as most NFT transactions are done using Ethereum. You can buy this from a cryptocurrency exchange and then transfer it to your digital wallet. Now, you're ready to start shopping. There are several online marketplaces where you can buy and sell NFTs, including OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. These platforms host a wide variety of digital art, from GIFs and memes to digital paintings and even virtual real estate. However, before you jump in and start bidding, it's important to remember a few key considerations. Firstly, do your research. Understand the artist and the work you're buying. Some artists have a strong following and a proven track record, while others are new and unproven. Secondly, remember that value is subjective. Just because one piece of digital art sold for a high price doesn't guarantee that another piece will do the same. The value of an NFT is largely determined by what someone else is willing to pay for it. Lastly, be aware of the risks. As with any investment, the value of NFTs can fluctuate. And because the market is still relatively new, it can be unpredictable. There's also the risk of fraud, as scammers can try to sell fake NFTs or impersonate popular artists. In conclusion, investing in digital art using NFTs can be an exciting and potentially lucrative venture. But as with any investment, it's essential to do your homework and understand the risks. Remember to buy what you love, because at the end of the day, art should bring you joy. As with any investment, buying NFTs requires careful thought and due diligence. What does the future hold for NFTs and digital art? A question that has everyone from artists to investors to technologists intrigued. As we venture deeper into the digital age, the role of NFTs in the future of digital art and online ownership is set to evolve in exciting, unpredictable ways. Imagine a future where every piece of digital art is tied to an NFT, ensuring creators are rewarded each time their work is sold. This could revolutionize the way artists earn, moving away from a one-time payment model to a royalty-based system. Furthermore, NFTs could potentially democratize the art world. Art has traditionally been the domain of the elite, but with the advent of NFTs, anyone with an internet connection could own a piece of digital art. This could lead to an explosion of creativity and diversity in the art world, as more voices are heard and more perspectives are represented. On the technical side, we could see NFTs integrated into virtual reality, augmented reality, and metaverse platforms. This would allow for unique, immersive art experiences, where users could interact with digital art in a three-dimensional virtual space. Imagine walking through a virtual gallery, interacting with the art, and even bringing a piece of it home with you. But, as with any nascent technology, there are uncertainties. Issues around copyright, environmental impact, and market volatility need to be addressed to ensure the sustainable growth of this promising sector. Only time will tell the true impact of NFTs on the world of digital art.